Hi, you guessed it. Today's Sunday. It's a cross training day. I'm going to cut grass, and I'm going to do it in a 20-pound vest. Later on, I'll probably do I plan on doing 100 push-ups, some bicep curls, maybe some more deadlifts, pull-ups, things like that. Also going to weigh in and see how my weight is after a week. Have not touched a scale in a week, so I have no clue what it is. I am a little tight today from the half marathon yesterday, but overall I feel pretty good. I think soreness comes with long runs like that. So well, I got to get this grass cut, so let's get it done. Complete. Now to blow the driveway. All right, we're out here at our ninja course. I'm going to attempt to do 10 pull-ups. See where I stand. All right, one thing I really like to do for exercise is push-ups, and usually when I do them I do 100. So I'll either do like sets of 20, sets of 25. Let's go. Let's knock out 100 push-ups. All right, I got the grass cut, got weighed, did a little bit of cross training, tested my pull-ups, and almost had 2 out of 3 of my goals met. I think I'll be able to get 10 in the next few weeks. I'd eat a little breakfast, some eggs with peppers from my garden, some onions. I was looking at my Strava. If you don't have Strava and you're a runner, you're missing out. Strava does a great job. You can keep up with your gear, with your mileage on your shoes or your bike. I was looking at my mileage for the year, and yesterday I crossed the 300 mark. I'm at 305. That's a big deal to me. I know some people probably get that in a month, but when I couldn't walk after the marathon because my IT band syndrome, and it was kind of depressing, because I've really found love in running and I didn't think I was gonna be able to do it. And with the plantar fasciitis I had, sucked. I'm happy with that. I want to keep adding to it. My gear, I run mainly in Hoka Clifton ones. I have 124 miles on them. I also have some Ultra Torn 3.5s. I have 70 miles on them, and I have Saucony Triumph ISO 4s. I have 82 miles on them. So I typically save the Hokas for like my longer runs, and I absolutely love them. But those are the shoes I rotate throughout the week. To do it for today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you Tuesday. I would stay tuned for this week. I got some big things planned.